Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do Dutch braid. I'm doing two Dutch braids, one on each side of my head. This one is a 3D plait, so it almost looks like the plait is coming out of your head. If you watched the first video, that one is the French braid, and hopefully you'll be able to tell the difference because the French braid is more attached to your head. You can't really, it's not coming out. So let's get to it.
To start off your Dutch braid, you want to use a rat tail comb and split your hair in half, right down the middle, and you want to tie up the other half of your hair just to get it out of the way and to make it much easier for yourself. So to start off, you need to get a little bit of hair from the front and section it into 3 equal parts. So we'll call the first one A, we'll call the middle piece the middle strand, and the last piece we'll call it B. So what you want to do is put B under the middle strand, just like so. Put it under, as you can see there. And you want to do the same for A. Section A goes under the middle piece, just like that, as you can see. And just want to keep on going with this pattern. So B goes under the middle strand and you add a little section of hair to that, and you keep on going this way and you'll definitely get a Dutch braid after this. So section A goes under the middle piece and you want to add a piece of hair to that as well. Continue this pattern of the outer strand going under the middle strand while adding a section of hair to it. Do this until you get to the bottom of your head, the nape of your neck, and continue with a regular 3-strand braid until you reach the desired length and tie it with a hairband. To make my braid more voluminous, I like to gently pull and tug to loosen up the braid. This will help to soften up the look. So just a quick repeat of the steps again. Divide your hair into 3 equal sections and place section A under the middle strand and section B under the middle strand. And now you want to do the same again, section A under the middle strand, but you want to add a section of hair. The same with section B under the middle strand and add a section of hair. Keep going until you reach the desired length. Once I finish both Dutch braids, I like to pull a few strands of hair out from the front to frame my face to give it a more softer look.
Okay, that's it guys. Hopefully that helps you. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments down below. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, that would be really good, or thumbs down. And if you're looking to see more hairstyles from me, click the red subscribe button somewhere. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one, guys.